listening. Where do I begin? You were there through thick and thin. Thank you, I mean really, cause you made me so happy. So what's the reward? Let me tell you the lore. And in our count history, never a closer group of friends. Yeah, it's some things I miss. Since when love found somebody's flame fell. Yes, we have what you'd call a traitor in our midst. Wait a sec, security is in check. At least I thought so, and it's hardly soft, you know. Destroyed that it seems our cover from last week is now for public sky. Your Joe's got a right. Lie, oh lie, could it be everybody here has equipped a mask to disarm delusive fear? I forgot to please, so you dare ridicule me. The traitors among us, but which one could it be? Come out, whoever you are. Divine judgment awaits, you'll never get that far. 2, 3, 4, 5, catch them all alive. 7, 8, 9, 10, don't let them go again. Just a moment, please, gotta tell you something. Look there, she only cares about bad mouthing. I'm your best friend, yes, and so with that I suggest you keep clear of her way. See, the thing about games, it's just more than racing to theme. Much more than protecting to mean, so much more than standing never protesting. So still an employee, the thief, breaking these only left as a piece. So plain, catch and release, fickleness, the act of betraying. It's a form of thrilling, it's a form of thrilling, it's a